Hola clase. Today we are going to recap on how to work with rational expressions. Specifically, we're going to be on simplify. And before we start, we need to know a couple of things. Remember that a rational expression is a fraction with algebra. So you need to know your operations with fractions, all of them. And then you need to know how to factorize, because we're going to use it quite a lot. We're going to focus in this video on single expressions, meaning there's only one fraction, and we will see more than one in another video. So if I've got a single expression, first of all I need to factorize, and then whichever common factors I've got both in the denominator and the numerator, I will cancel. And for this one, especially for your quadratics, it's good to remember your perfect squares and your difference of squares, because it's going to make your life much easier when you're factorizing. So remember, your perfect square is a plus or minus b square, and remember a square plus 2ab or minus plus b square. And your difference of squares, if you've got this, it factorizes to a plus b, a minus b. Okay, let's see that on an example. And they ask me to simplify this. And this is one of the cases we were just talking about. I realized that 49 is a square number, so I know that's a difference of squares. I'm going to factorize the numerator, 3x minus 7, and my denominator, x minus 7, x plus 7. I've got a common factor here, so it cancels, and whatever I'm left with, it's my simplified rational expression. Let's see another example. Okay, so the first thing I realize, I've got a common factor of x, so I'm going to factorize that. And remember, you can do this in steps. There is no shame in doing things in as many steps as you need. I'm not going to touch the quadratic yet. I'm leaving it here. And then I've got two quadratics to simplify. So remember, two numbers now that multiply to 35 and add to 12. That's going to be 7 and 5. And here, two numbers that multiply to 21. That's going to be 7 and 3. So things are looking promising. So I'm factorizing my numerator. I carry the x, and then two brackets, x and x, plus 5 plus 7, and the same thing in the denominator, plus 3 plus 7, and we've got again a common factor here. Oops, there, better. So whatever I'm left with, I'm going to put it here, and I'm done. I don't carry anything out. I could re-expand this, but I'm going to leave it there. We're not going to be messing with. It's just like that. Okay, so this is how we simplify one simple expression. So now it's your turn to go and practice. Thanks for watching.